In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents to transactions in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple but very useful feature, especially if you want to keep receipts, supporting files, or other important records connected directly to a specific transaction. Attaching documents can help you stay organized and make it easier to review your records later. To get started, go into QuickBooks Online and look toward the top left of the screen for the Create button. Click that to open the menu where you can start a new transaction. From there, choose the type of transaction you want to create. For example, you might select an invoice, but the same general process applies to other transaction types as well. Once you open the transaction, begin entering the details just as you normally would. Fill in the necessary information for that document, such as the customer, amount, products or services, and any other fields that apply to the transaction you're creating. As you work through the form, you'll also see an area for attachments. When you reach that attachment field, click Upload here. This will allow you to browse your computer and select the document you want to attach. Choose the correct file and QuickBooks will upload it to that transaction. This is helpful if you want to keep a copy of something like a receipt, backup document, or related files stored with the transaction itself. After the upload finishes, the document will be attached, and that's really all there is to it. At that point, you can continue reviewing the transaction details and make sure everything looks correct. Another helpful thing to know is that you do not have to attach documents only when creating something new. You can also reopen existing transactions and add attachments to them later. So if you forgot to include a file the first time, or if you receive a document after the transaction has already been created, you can go back into that transaction and attach it there. This makes QuickBooks Online much more convenient for record keeping because everything stays in one place and is easier to find when you need it. If you're trying to keep your books clean and organized, this is definitely a feature worth using regularly, and that's how to attach documents to transactions in QuickBooks Online.